This is the Cincinnati Southern Railroad lift bridge. It's a vertical lift bridge. But the two towers was removed and acts like a fixed span. Built in 1922 by American Bridge Company and designed by Ralph Majeski. Continuous Baltimore through truss, vertical lift bridge through truss span, lifting machinery, removed. Walling deck, truss span, lefty deck, girder approach on the north side. Built in 1922. Using the existing piers from an 1877 swing bridge used by the Norfolk Southern Railroad. Crosses the Ohio River, located between Low and Cincinnati, Ohio. I'm gonna show you some. That's the design plan of this bridge on Nathan Hawk's, historic bridges, and he talks about that. So, and it shows the details and how the span is going to be built. So, see, look at this lift span. Now two towers again was removed, and now it's a fixed span. And look at this continuous truss approach. Yes, so it's located in Ludlow, Kentucky, and Cincinnati, Ohio. So there it is, folks.